Being agile in manufacturing is more important than ever before and has become a key differentiator in retaining customers. Consumer demands have changed at a rapid pace and manufacturers are required to do more with less. This means utilizing existing line setups to create new products or reproduce existing products with new parameters or variability. To achieve this, manufacturers are seeking solutions to help them with agility in their operations. Take, for example, MES, where a trend has been to move towards microservices. Microservices act and communicate with one another while performing tasks independently. They can have self-sufficient data storage and open interfaces for communication with other services, enabling flexible deployment. A modular architecture is also less error-prone, increasing plant availability. This trend is happening because manufacturers are taking a longer-term view and a life cycle approach to implementations, and how MES, as an example, fits into the digital transformation journey and broader ecosystem of digital tools. The flexibility in development and deployment of these solutions is enabling agile manufacturing and the products we see produced.